Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are doing great. I am Neha Rajvanshi and I welcome you all in today's class, that is English class of class 9th. So students, in the previous video we have completed reading with our chapter number 7 from the book Moments. The name of the chapter is The Last Leaf. I am very much sure that the chapter is clear to you all, and in today's video we will see the comprehension part, we will solve the questions. So now let's begin with question first. So let's read the question. What is Johnson's illness? What can cure her? The medicines or the willingness to live? So in this question, first of all we have to tell about Johnson's illness, that what kind of illness she was having. Then secondly we are given with two options and we have to choose one, that what is the thing that can cure her. Is this thing is medicine or the willingness to live? So we have to choose one option, and actually we have to justify our choice, that why we are choosing this option. So let's see the answer. Johnson was suffering from pneumonia. So first of all we are writing about Johnson's illness, Johnson's disease. So she was having pneumonia, she was having some infection in her lungs. The doctor said that she seemed to have made up her mind that she was not going to get well, and according to doctor who was there to treat her, according to that doctor, Johnson, she seemed to have made up her mind as if she has decided that she was not going to get well. Medicines would not be able to cure her. She could only be cured by her willingness to live, and this is the reason that medicines, they were not at all enough to cure her, because she was not having the willingness, she was not having the desire to live her life. So we can say that she could be cured only by her willingness to live. Okay. Next question. Do you think the feeling of depression Johnson has in common among teenagers? So now in this question we have to discuss, we have to write our own viewpoint, that what do we think that the feeling of depression that Johnson is having. So in the chapter we have read that Johnson, she was very much depressed, she was having the feeling of depression, right? Yes, she was ill, she was having pneumonia, but still she was having no willingness to live her life. Why? Because she was depressed. So now we have to discuss that this depression, is it something that is very much common among teenagers? Okay, so let's see the answer. Yes, the feeling of depression Johnson has is very common among teenagers. So students, you can write your own answer here also, that what do you think, what is your idea. But yes, this is true that this kind of depression, this feeling of depression, it is very much common among teenagers nowadays. The reason for this is the present lifestyle and circumstances under which teenagers are made to outperform in every field. And what is the main reason of this depression that is there in teenagers? So the main reason is the present lifestyle. Okay, the lifestyle is having so much stress and so much pressure, and the circumstances under which teenagers, they are made to outperform in each and every field. Okay, so we can say the teenagers, they are having this kind of pressure that they have to perform very well in each and every field. If they are into sports, then obviously they have to perform well. In their studies they have to perform well, they should have a good job after their studies. So such kind of pressure is there on teenagers, and because of this pressure, because of all kinds of circumstances, the feeling of depression, this kind of depression is very much common among teenagers. They get depressed for not performing well in their examinations or not meeting up to their parents' expectations. Okay, so now we are discussing more reasons. So teenagers, they are very much depressed. Why? For not performing well in their examination. So if they are having examination and the result is there and they are not having good result there, if they are not having good marks, then they can have this kind of depression, or if they are not meeting up with their parents' expectations. Okay, so generally जो parents होते हैं, they set very high expectations level, and if the kids, they are not able to meet up with their their parents expectations, then also they can have this kind of depression. Daily activities like preparing for school examination, sports, coaching classes, crash courses, etc. put the teenagers under so much pressure that they sometimes lose the control of their mind and end up being depressed. So there are so many reasons like daily activities, and we can write some of the name like preparing for school examination, or sports can be there, coaching classes can be there, crash courses can be there. So many activities are there, and because of all these activities, the teenagers, they are under so much pressure that they sometimes lose the control that they should have over their mind, and finally they end up how being depressed. So after writing all these, we can say that yes, the feeling of depression is something that is very much common among teenagers and especially nowadays. Next question, Bauman has a dream. What is it? Does it come true? So in this question, first of all, we are given with one statement. The statement is that Bauman, he was having a dream. Now we have to tell that what is it. We have to write about Bauman's dream, and we have also we have to write that does this dream finally, does it come true or not? So let's see the answer. Bauman, he was a 60-year-old painter. His lifelong dream was to paint a masterpiece. So first of all, we are writing Bauman's dream. So he was a painter, he was 60-year-old, and his lifelong dream was to paint a masterpiece. He just wanted to create a masterpiece. And now we are writing that does his dream finally come true or not? So we are writing that yes, his dream finally came true when he painted a green and healthy leaf clinging to the creeper on the window that looked extremely natural. So finally we are writing that yes, his dream came true. How? Because he painted a green and healthy leaf that was clinging to the creeper where on the window, and painting it looked extremely natural. He painted the last leaf left on the ivy creeper, and the leaf that he painted, it was the last leaf that was there on the ivy creeper. Next question, what is Bauman's masterpiece? What makes Sue say so? So in this question, first of all, we have to write about Bauman's masterpiece, that what was it, and secondly we have to write that what was the reason that according to Sue it was the masterpiece. So let's see the answer. Bauman's masterpiece was the ivy leaf. He painted the night the last leaf on the creeper fell. So what was the masterpiece? It was the painting. It was the ivy leaf that he actually painted on the wall, and when the night the last leaf of that creeper actually fell down, the leaf looked green and healthy like a natural leaf, and the painting that Bauman he painted, it was very much natural looking, and it looked very green and healthy just like a natural leaf. Sue calls the leaf painting a masterpiece because it made Johnsy believe that it was the real natural leaf left on the creeper, and this gave her the will to live. And now we are writing that why according to Sue it was the masterpiece of Bauman. So we can write that Sue, according to her, it was the masterpiece because finally this painting, finally this leaf made Johnsy believe that it was the real and natural leaf that is there on the creeper, and this leaf gave her the will to live, to recover. Because of this painting, now Johnsy was having the positivity and desire to live a happy life and to be strong enough to face all the challenges of her life, just like the last leaf that was there even after the strong wind and rain. And now finally Johnsy, she was having the positivity, she was having the desire to live a happy and healthy life, and now she was having the desire to be strong, to be courageous enough to face all all the challenges, all the problems, all the difficulties that are there in her life, just like the last leaf that was there on the creeper, even after the strong wind, even after the heavy rain. Okay, so now finally Jhansi, she was having this kind of positivity, she was having the willingness. Why? Because when she saw that, you know, that small leaf that is able to face all the bad weather and still the leaf is there on the creeper, then why she is becoming so weak, why she is becoming, you know, why she is behaving like this. So finally she realized that she should be strong enough, she should be courageous enough, and she should have the willingness to live a better life, to live a happy and healthy life. Okay, so students, we have completed all the questions that are there in the chapter. I hope the chapter, the story and all the question answers, everything is clear to you all, and in the next video we will start reading with our new chapter. So see you in the next video. Thank you.